So here we are again, Vivid 2026, 6.5 kilometers this year, 43 art installations. We're starting at the Circular Quay, right behind me, famous opera house. So I'm going to show you the opera Mundi. This is the animations and projections created by the French artist this year. I think if you're coming to Vivid, best time to come around is obviously not on a weekend. This is when you get the biggest crowds. So today is Wednesday, it's a bit of a wet day, so actually gives a bit of a more cinematic feel to the Vivid with the water and the lights. So we begin the Sydney walk, 6.5k. We're gonna walk all the way to the Darling Harbour. It's gonna be an exciting night. The rain's a little bit eased right now, so hopefully that's gonna stay that way. So there was supposed to be the biggest drone show this year in the Darling Harbour, but unfortunately all of the drones fell from the sky, 90 drones fell from the sky, so I won't be able to show you the drone show. There's going to be some laser show in there, and the Barangaroo's got a fire kitchen, and there's some of the tallest installation, 23 meters. So there's lots of exciting things to see, even though the walk is a little bit smaller than the last year. They cut out the Ultimo and they cut out the Martin's Place. So it's the 6.5k versus the 8.5k last year. So there's going to be less walking. I think that's good. Last year was a little bit too much. So I'll be trying to do it everything in one night. So I'll show you quickly some of my favorite places throughout the walk. So the event takes place from 22nd May to 13 June, so you got a few weeks to come around, and it's open every day from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. so the light starts from 6 p.m. Unfortunately, it's been raining for the last 2 weeks in Sydney, but even if it's raining, if you come here, it's still worth coming around. Just get an umbrella, and sometimes it's even more enjoyable with the water reflecting from the light, so doesn't matter what's the weather gonna be. It's definitely worth to come around. So we're coming onto the Argyle Street right now. This is normally where they have this like a tunnel here. There's a tunnel, and they normally put some projections on the ceiling of the tunnel. Is spectacular this year. It's like a party inside of there, and as you can probably still hear, they have the best music in there. So as you can see, we are almost at the Barangaroo Wharf, so the next stop will be the Fire Kitchen. Then we're gonna go towards the Darling Harbour. There's some beautiful views overlooking a Darling Harbour from here. So I just took a couple of shots from there. But right now the mission is Barangaroo Wharf, and we've got about 2 hours before the show finishes. It's about 9 o'clock at the moment. So pretty good pace today. And I think we can do everything in one night today. So here's the fire kitchen. So as you can see, here's more of a dining area with the Marquee stage being like a sort of like a main eating spot with some live bands. You can order some food from the fire kitchen. There's a whole bunch of different vendors, quite a lot of choices here. I'm getting actually hungry from the smells. Brazilian flame, plenty of options here. There's some Filipino food, organic fire rolls, Italian market, some toasties and drinks, of course. The prices are reasonable, and here's an outdoor area, but as you can see, no one's sitting here because it's raining pretty bad at the moment. I cannot get used to it. It's been raining for the last 2 weeks. There's some desserts, gelatos, and another stage here. Yeah, this place is a party here. You got some fire pits everywhere. So this one's called Molecule of Light by Chris Levine. So it's standing tall at 23 meters. This one right here, it's called Obstacle by Release Studio. They have pretty cool music as well. There's a bunch of lights jumping around. We've got a bit of a Blade Runner vibe today with the rain, which is pretty cool. Not too many people. The only problem, all my gear gonna get wet. But that's alright, hopefully my camera is gonna survive this rain. This one's pretty cool. This right here is a point of no return. So we're coming onto the Pyrmont Bridge. We got some nice drum and bass vibes and a laser show. I'm liking it already. The rain doesn't stop. The party must go on. I'm the only one, and all the staff members. See how much dedication I have for you guys to film this. This is pretty cool. Check this out. So we're right behind the IMAX right now. I think that was the highlight of the Darling Harbour. So you've got some piano here. You can walk on the piano here. As you're walking, the keys are activating as you're walking. That's pretty cool. Let's go the other way. I'm composing a beautiful music for you. It's almost 11 o'clock. Got another 20 minutes. The end of the vivid anyway. There should be some scene in the middle here. We always have the scene with the music and maybe more food in there. Here we are at Darling Harbour, Tumble-on nights. So the vivid is finished and it just stopped raining. What are the odds? Anyway, here's the main stage and there's some food places around here. So I think that'll be a good place to finish today's video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.